This video will show you how to assign a task to a staff. Let us see how. Select Guest Service. The guest service will open in a new tab. Click on Task List. All the present-day tasks will be listed here. Choose the task you wish to assign under the status column in the listing. Click on Pending to assign a staff. Task Status panel will open. Click the drop-down corresponding to assigned staff. Select the employee who will perform this task. Click OK. The staff will be updated in the Staff/Remarks column. The status column will change from pending to in progress. Note: the same information will be updated on the guest dashboard. This brings us to the end of the video on how to assign a task to a staff.